What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about AgEagle. And many of you are like, well, Lucas, why did AgEagle just decide to shoot up in the upward direction today? Why did it almost look like someone shot an arrow straight up? Well, that's exactly what I'm here to do, and I'm here to provide you a ton of information. I love this stock. I'm excited to provide this to you, if you can't tell. So if you're interested in AgEagle, stay tuned right after this. Before we start talking about drones in 2021 and everything else that comes with drones in 2021, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. You guys know that I am in love with drones right now. I love providing information on drones. I'm really pumped about it. And so, of course, I had to provide you information on this AgEagle skyrocket. And many people are like, well, I'm not understanding why they were tagged in a Fox Business interview that was conducted yesterday. Yes, it was involved with drones, and yes, it was really cool to see, but I'm not sure what that really has to do with or why it is affiliated with the likes of AgEagle. Well, I'm here to tell you. So basically what this entire deal was about is Grady Trimble from Fox Business was actually at Valqari's headquarters, and they just so happened to be interviewing Ryan Walsh, CEO and co-founder of Valqari. Many of you guys know who follow this channel know that I actually conducted an interview with Ryan Walsh, CEO and co-founder of Valqari, and many of you guys know that I've done a ton of information on them as well. So what I'm going to do is provide exactly the connections, tie the dots, and really, this is amazing information. So what is going on with AgEagle and Valqari? They have a 2-year contract that was signed back a couple months ago, and basically what is going to happen is Valqari is going to supply basically all the boxes that they need manufactured to the likes of AgEagle. And I call them boxes, they should be actually called receptacles. And so basically these receptacles are going to be manufactured by the likes of AgEagle. That is phenomenal news. And the biggest piece from this whole thing is that Valqari continues to go out and gain partnerships. They keep going out and getting things accomplished, and that's what's amazing to see. It just so happened to be this Fox Business interview with Grady Trimble was actually to talk about Valqari's box, but on top of that, it was also about the new partnership that Valqari just got. It's by Ascend Engineering, and so again, making another step in the right direction. So now a lot of people can understand why it is such a big deal for AgEagle. And it just so happened today that a lot of people started to make the connections with, Valqari being tied to AgEagle. And then now a lot of people are starting to understand that AgEagle will be manufacturing those boxes / receptacles. It was an amazing thing because obviously a lot of people do watch Fox Business, and they really have been kind of pushing as of late the drone sector, and I think that that's going to be extremely important. And obviously I keep saying it, this is a direction in which we're heading. We are 100% heading in a drone future where drones will be delivering packages of all different types, whether it is food, whether it is pharmaceuticals, whether it is your Amazon, your Walmart, your FedEx, your UPS, whatever it may be, drones will be delivering those packages to you. The unique thing about this entire thing is that Valqari has its hand on the receptacle. The device that will receive all these packages will go through Valqari, and they have a ton of patents. And like I said, AgEagle will be the one manufacturing that. So that is why it is so massive. A lot of people are like, oh, and I agree, ALPP is definitely going to have its hand in the future of drones. There's no question. But this is a different thing. You're talking true package delivery. You're talking about that entire concept being in a package deal almost, because AgEagle is such a manufacturing and an assembly company, and you already have a massive partnership in the likes of Valqari, who is again going out and getting a ton of partnerships. These are the things you want to see. This is why I've been so bullish and so excited to constantly bring you guys content on this company, is because they are doing things in the right way. I think AgEagle would be presenting a lot of this stuff themselves, but they are bound by a massive non-disclosure agreement, which us, major investors are aware of. There's a major e-commerce that is just bound this company down by a non-disclosure agreement. And it's obviously rumored and has been rumored for a long time that it is Amazon. And a lot of things connect up and they make sense for it to be Amazon. But the thing is that this company is lurking there. They do have the massive non-disclosure agreement, like I said, and they continue to make orders, and they said they would be making orders in 2021. So hopefully all that kind of rounded everything together. It all makes sense. And if you haven't, go check out the video and go check out the interview that was conducted in Chicago by Fox Business. It was amazing to see. Obviously, the drone delivered a small box to the receptacle that belonged to Valqari. The interviewer, Grady Trimble, was able to go up to the receptacle and receive that drone dropped off delivery package. And then they ended up turning and talking to CEO, co-founder of Valqari, Ryan Walsh. It was amazing to see. And really, you can just see and sense the excitement from the overall just entire interview, because this is the future. Now, things are starting to look really bright for the future of AgEagle, and I've always said that this is definitely going to be a future company. 2021 is going to be massive. But the thing is they recently just did a direct offering of roughly $6.3 million, and that was amazing in itself. Obviously, the company reported that, and these are the types of news pieces that we want. I recently did a video, as you can see right here, on that exact topic. But then this thing is absolutely released. You can see the connections, truthfully see the connections, understand that there is a partnership there, truthfully understand that, AgEagle will be manufacturing these receptacles. All that is hard evidence. So let's dive into this chart, because you guys know that chart breaking down time is my favorite, and it is that time. So let's swing on over here and see what UAVS, AgEagle is all about. So today it opened at $6.04. It got as high as $8.49. Its low was $5.81. Its volume was 17.26 million. Its market cap currently is $474.9 million. 52-week high is $8.72. And its 52-week low is 19 cents. Volume average is going to be 5.067 million. So as you can see, probably within the last stretch of the trading day is when we really ramped up in volume, really ramped up in the excitement. So today it closed at $8.19 with a massive run of 42.68%. And wait, it wasn't finished there. It continued to climb to $8.55, completely wrapping out the day at $4.78. This is a one-day chart. And as you guys can see, it was pretty consistent for the entire day. It really didn't go up. It didn't go down. And like I've said, I honestly felt like the new $2 to $3 range for this company was going to be kind of the low fives to maybe like the middle sixes. And that's where we were going to float for a little bit. But then obviously anytime news breaks and some dots are connected, in this case, I went over the entire scenario. This caused this stock to pop. I think that there might be some other things kind of lurking there that could also trigger this, pop. But that was the biggest thing that I took from this, was the connection there. And that is hard evidence, guys. You understand that Valqari is going to have AgEagle manufacture those boxes. There's no question that's not happening. So those boxes will be manufactured by AgEagle. So this thing went in an upward direction. It hit somewhat of a pullback, and that didn't last very long, because then it engaged and shot up again. And so, I'm excited to see what the rest of this week, obviously tomorrow is Friday, so I'm excited to see what it is going to be, entailing for AgEagle. A lot more people are going to be starting to become aware of AgEagle, which I think is going to be massive. And, this is only going to generate more volume. It's going to generate more attention. And I could see this stock honestly continuing to head up in the upward direction. I do think it will have some pullbacks at time to time just because that's expected. But this is awesome. I love to see this. And like I said, and I've been doing videos on this company for a long time now, at least 7 months, I feel like, because I went back and really looked, and it's been a long time. Every time I do a video on this, it gets more exciting each time. And this is exactly why I became an investor, because I knew at some point this was going to start to crack, and eventually it wasn't going to be able to contain itself, and we were going to see massive runs like this. So that's exactly why I want to provide this video for you guys, is just to keep you in the loop and keep you aware of the knowledge that I feel really happened and caused this run today. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on AgEagle. This most definitely will not be its last video. I love this company. I love this stock. I love everything about it. The investors that are involved with this are very, very positive. They believe in the company, and it's amazing to see. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. And that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.